Hello children, you all have enjoyed your summer vacation? Yes? Yes. And how was your holidays? I think you must have all gone for a long leave. Right. Now, I am Mrs. Uma Srinivasan going to take your 5th standard maths. See, your first lesson you must have all have learned in your previous classes. See, I'll just show you a small flashcard. From that, you're going to tell me what it is. And that is your first lesson we are going to start with. Okay, now just look into this flashcard. Now, tell me this. Now, what do you find here? What is this? Can you describe what it is? Yes, it is a circle. This is a circle. Now, what all things you find in circle? Can you just see this? Can you see this? Yes, dash, dot, card. Your ball is also in circle, and your tomato is also in circle. And one more example, your daily life, you can see your CD. Your CDs are also in circle. Now, next one, it is a square. This is a square. This is a square. Very good. Now, what all things you can find in square? Now, can you just see here? What all things can you see? See, you can find a clock like this. A clock in your square frame. Then your photo frame. Your photo frame is also in square shape. Then what is this? Your painting. Your painting which you have done and you have framed it. That is also in what you call square. Now next one. What is the next one? What is the next one? It's a triangle. It is a triangle. Okay. Now what all things you can see in triangle? See, when you go outside in the traffic signal, you can find the signboard which will be in triangle. Which will be in triangle. Then when this cheese is also in triangle. Then what is this? Pizza slice. That is also in triangle. Okay. Now one more. Now what is this? What is this? This is rectangle. What do you call it as? Rectangle. Now matchbox. These are the things you find in rectangle. Matchbox. Then you find carpet. Then you find this bag. Bag is also in the rectangle. Now what is the next one? What is this? Lovely it is. What is this? Art in shape. Now you find some biscuits or cookies, and you also find some trinket box which you find it in this, what do you call this, shape. Right. Next one. What is next one? It is semicircle. It is semicircle. Now your earring, some of the earring which is in this shape. Then you find this cross in it. Then bananas. Bananas is also like this only. Now, next one. What is the next one? What is this one? Oval. Oval. Now, this oval, one example, can you tell me? You find in daily life? You eat that also. What is it? Egg. Egg which you find it in the oval shape. Now, next one, your balloon. You play, no? That balloon is also in the oval shape. Now, next one. What is the next one? Next one is what? This is a diamond. This is a diamond. You find it in kite. Then you find in some of the frames, you find in this diamonds. See what all you saw from the flashcard? You saw circle. Then you saw a triangle. Then you saw a rectangle. Then square. Diamond. Semicircle. Now, what are all these you call it as? Now, what are these called as? These are all called as shapes. These are all called as shapes. So, this is the lesson what we are going to start with. Am I right? Now, can you tell me what do you mean by shapes? What do you mean by shapes? Shapes means it is the outward form of an object. Outward form of an object. See, you saw, I think, in a circle, or what you can call in a circle, you must have seen the ball. Am I right? In circle, you saw a ball. You saw a ball. Now you saw a ball. Now, can you tell me now just seeing, this is what you call it as the outward form of an object. So this circle, now what did you call it? The ball is circle. The ball is round. Then this picture is triangle. So the outward form of an object, the outward form of an object is called as shapes. Okay, now with regard to this lesson, there were three children. There is a conversation given in your book. There were three children, Ravi, Raju and Rani. These three children, what they did is, they were just talking about the concluded cricket match. Like what was yesterday, what was the match went on yesterday. They were just talking about that match. Right. Now, what is you have to do is, just tell me, now what are things you find in a cricket match? Can you tell me what all things in cricket match, what all things you see? Yes, stadium. Okay, very good. Next, what is the next thing you find? Yeah, players. Okay, players. Very good. Next, pitch. Very good. You find a pitch. Then next one, you find a ball. Very important thing. Without the ball, they cannot play. Next one, stump. Because without the stump also, the cricket match will not go. This is what the things you find in what you find it in cricket match. Now, you tell me, stadium. Have you visited the stadium? Have you seen stadium? Yes. Okay. Now, can you tell me how is the stadium? What shape is it? Yes. Okay. What is the shape is? This is oval shape. This is oval shape. Okay. Now, next one. What about the pitch? Can you tell me how is the pitch? This is your pitch. Now, what shape is it? It is rectangular. Okay, now next one. Next one, what is the next one? Ball. Now, how is the ball now? Ball. Okay, now what is the shape? Actually, you can call it a spherical. It is actually not a circle. It is spherical shape. Okay, now next one. How about your stump? Stump, how is it? Now this is your stump. Now how is it? It is, what do you call it as? It is cylindrical. Stump is cylindrical. Is it clear? So these are all what you call it as oval, spherical, rectangle, cylindrical. So these are all called as the shapes. See, the next one is your activity given in your book. Now what is the activity is, you have to write the shapes of the things. Now you have to write the shapes of the things. Now first one, see, what is this? Can you tell me what is this? What is this? Yes, this is a pencil. Now, can you tell me what shape is it? What shape is it? Yes, it is hexagonal. It is hexagonal shape. Okay, now second thing, now see, what is this? What is this? Can you see the thing? What is the thing? This is a marble. This is a marble. Marble. What is it? What shape is it? Can you just see the shape and tell me? It is spherical. It is spherical. You can't call it as a, what do you call, circle, but you have to call it as spherical. Okay, now the third thing. The third thing. What is the third thing? Can you just see what it is? We all play with this. What is this? This is a dice. This is a dice. Now, what shape is it? Can you just see the shape of this dice and tell me what shape is it? It is a cube. Now, fourth one. What is this? This is a matchbox. Can you tell me what shape is it? Now just look into this matchbox and tell me what shape is it? What shape is it? It is cuboid. It is cuboid. Okay, now next first one. Now, what is this? This is a chalk box. You find all chalks in this. Now, chalk box. Now, can you tell me what shape is it? Now, can you just see what shape is it? It is a cuboid again. This is also cuboid. Now, next one. What is this? We play with all this. We play with this. What is this? This is a ball. Now, can you tell me what shape is it? You can't call it as a circle, but one shape you can call it. What is it? It is spherical. It is spherical. Okay, now next one. What is this? You write in this. Am I right or not? You write in this. Now, what is this? This is a notebook. Now, can you tell me what shape is it? What shape is it? It is cuboid. So, now this is the activity you have to do it. There are so many other things like that. You can just write the things and start writing their shapes. See, the next one is net of a cuboid. Net of a cuboid. Now, I think you must have all seen a matchbox. Have you all seen a matchbox? Yes. Can you tell me how many faces? How many faces does it have? Or how many sides does it have? So this is the thing you are going to learn in this net of a cuboid. Is it clear? So this is a matchbox. Now how many sides does it have? So this is what you are going to read. Now when you open this matchbox, when you start opening the matchbox, now see, now what? How is it, the matchbox? After you open it, see, when you open it, now see, 1, 2, this side 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now just see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means this matchbox has got how many sides? It has got 6 sides. Now, so 6 sides you have found out. Now you tell me, what is the shape of the 6th side? What is the shape of the 6th side? Can you just look into it and tell me what shape is it? Yes, it is a rectangle. Each shape is a rectangle. Is it clear now? Each shape is a rectangle. Now you have how many sides I told you? I told you there are 6 sides I told you, and each side is a rectangle. Now when you open out and you unfold it, when you open out and unfold it, you fold it again. When you opened it out and unfold it, when you open it and unfold it, it gave a shape. It gives a shape. It gives a shape. Now, what did you understand this? The unfold, what is it? The unfold flat shape. The unfold flat shape is called, what is it called as? It is the net of the matchbox. This, you call it as the net of the matchbox. I told you matchbox how many it has got. When you open it, it has got 6 sides. And each side is a rectangle. So when you open it out and unfold it, it gives a shape. That what is the shape? It is a rectangle. So that unfold flat shape is a net of a matchbox. Now, what is the definition for a net? Now, can you tell me what is a net? See, it is a 2-dimensional figure. What is a net? It is a 2-dimensional figure. Which can be folded to form a 3-dimensional figure. That is 3D figure. You call it as 3-dimensional figure. So can you tell me what is a net? It is a 2-dimensional figure which can be folded to form a 3-dimensional figure. So this is what you call it as a net of a cuboid. So what is net? 2-dimensional figure which can be folded to form a 3-dimensional figure.